Earlier this morning at 3:11 a.m. Eastern Time, 2:11 a.m. Central Time, NASA astronaut Matthew Dominic, with NASA astronaut Jeanette Epps as his backup, used the station's robotic arm to successfully capture the Cygnus cargo spacecraft. The Cygnus spacecraft, named SS Dick Scobee, supporting Northrop Grumman's 21st commercial resupply service mission, was first grappled at the hands of NASA astronaut Matthew Dominic, with NASA astronaut Jeanette Epps acting as his backup. That first grapple time happened at 3:11 a.m. Eastern Time, 2:11 a.m. Central Time. Next, controllers here in Mission Control worked to successfully install the spacecraft on the International Space Station, and that just occurred at 5:33 a.m. Eastern Time, 4:33 a.m. Central Time.